Want to teach in UAE, but don't know where to start? This video covers everything. Welcome in Teacher Groot's classroom. If you're dreaming of teaching in the UAE, whether in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or any other emirate, this is the ultimate guide for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to land your dream teaching job in the UAE, even if you're a first-time applicant. The UAE is one of the best places for teachers because of 1. Tax-free salary, 3,000 to 20,000 AED per month depending on experience. 2. Free housing or allowance. Many schools provide accommodation. 3. Flight tickets, yearly return flights to your home country. 4. Health insurance covered by most employers. 5. Professional growth, top international schools and training opportunities. Before applying, check these requirements: academic and experience, bachelor's degree in education or in relevant subject or teaching license like PGCE, minimum 2 years of teaching experience, IELTS or TOEFL if English isn't your first language, license and certification. MOE Ministry of Education, license is mandatory for public schools. KHDA approval for UAE private schools. Here's the detail that where and how to apply. Top job website. Tests Times Educational Supplement for British curriculum schools. LinkedIn network with recruiters. Indeed, most popular in the Middle East. School direct websites. Check with GEMS, Talium, Nord Anglia careers pages. Recruitment agencies. Teachaway hires for UAE schools. Seek Teachers specializes in Middle East jobs. Once you apply, what happens next? Submit application. Once you apply, just wait for the response call. Interview, it can be online or in person. If you are outside the UAE, they can send you an email to schedule your interview date and time. Offer letter and contract. Once you get your offer letter, read it carefully and check your salary, benefits, working hours as well. Visa process. In some conditions, they can ask you to manage your own visa. Let's break down salaries and expenses. Average monthly salaries for public schools are 9,000 to 15,000 AED, and for private schools 12,000 to 22,000 AED. Cost of living, monthly. Rent 2,000 to 7,000 AE depends on your living style and location. Groceries, 500 to 15 AE depends on persons. Transportation, 300 to 800 AED. Many teachers get rejected because of these mistakes. Applying without a TS-approved updated CV. UAE recruiters prefer two-page CV. Not researching the school's curriculum like British, IB American. Ignoring cultural norms like dress code or behavior in interviews. Now you know exactly how to get a teaching job in the UAE. Start by updating your CV, checking job portals, and preparing for interviews. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more guides, and don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching Teacher Groot.